Hi, I'm Chris with TIAA, Senior Financial Consultant. When it comes to money, it's easy to think it's all about the numbers. What you earn, spend, save, and invest. But here's the truth. Our emotions play a role in every financial decision we make. Think about it. Ever felt a rush of excitement after a big purchase? Or maybe anxiety when checking your bank account? That's money psychology at work. Our decisions aren't just logical, they're emotional. Today, we're breaking down 4 key areas to understanding your money mindset. First, understanding your nature. Are you naturally a spender or a saver? Your personality shapes your financial habits. Second, understand your responses. How do you react when the market drops or when an unexpected expense hits? Your emotions drive your actions. Third, gaining confidence. Financial confidence isn't just about having more money. It's about trusting your decisions, even through tough times. Fourth, doing what's best for you. Finally, it's about making choices that align with your goals, not just following the crowd. The secret? Self-awareness. When you understand why you feel a certain way about money, you can make better choices that lead to financial security and peace of mind. Want to master your money mindset? Start by tuning in to your thoughts and feelings around money. And remember, financial confidence starts with knowing yourself. Like and subscribe for more financial tips from TIAA.